Hey, it's Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com and also the voice behind your popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I've got a brilliant one for you. I'm showing you how to cook more of your Christmas dinner favourites in the air fryer. I'm using the dual because then you can make use of having both baskets on the go at once, or drawers depending on what you call it. And if you didn't know, we do actually have a dual air fryer cookbook out called Air Fry Easy Every Day, and it's amazing, and every recipe in there includes both dual and regular basket instructions as well. So what we're going to do today then, which of the Christmas sides should I do for you next? Well, I was thinking what would be perfect would be some honey roasted parsnips and carrots, frozen ones from Iceland, and then do some cabbage at the same time. But what I'm going to do differently is I'm going to actually take out crisp plates. So I don't know what it is about them, but they just irritate me. My crisp baskets, I'm talking about these air crisp ones. Put them out of both of them because they irritate me, because when I'm cooking with them, the food gets stuck on them. I would much rather have a simple basket like what I do with my Cosori air fryer or my Philips air fryer, and then it just becomes an effort to get the food out, because the difference there is their baskets detach, so you can just grab the food, shake it, throw it in, but with these you can't, so you'll find it easier sometimes to remove these. And they're also good for removing if you've got liquid, because it's like a pan really in the bottom when you think about it. So I've got some honey roasted parsnips from Iceland. So I've been doing honey roasted parsnips and frozen, showing you them in the air fryer for a number of years, but you always ask me to do them each year, so here they are again. So grab out your drawer or whatever you're using. You can do a full pack here, or you could mix it up with some carrots as well. I'm going to go with some carrots too. So let's say I've got about half a bag here. It's one of those big bags of them. And then let's add in some carrots as well. Lovely baby carrots. You won't need any oils or anything on these. You can tell by how sticky and wet they are. In fact, they're quite hard to get out because they've got that much stuff on them. And wow, look at those. There's quite a collection there, isn't there? So let's put that to one side. And then we've got an empty drawer. And then for my second one, I've got some cabbage. Red cabbage is delicious at Christmas. My hole's not big enough, so I'm just going to open it a bit. And then add in your cabbage. It's a really nice mixture there with some apple. And then I can pop that one in as well. And then this time around, I'm going to actually match them and start them both on 15 minutes at 180 and then see how they're doing. So turn it on. And you're looking for air fry. You're looking for 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. A cook time of 15 minutes. Then match it so they're both doing the same, and then press start. And we'll be back in 15. Whilst our kitchen gadget is on, working its magic, can I tell you more about our 12 days of Christmas? Well, basically, it's a different recipe every day for 12 days. And we've done it because we absolutely love using our kitchen gadgets at Christmas time, but also because we thought it would be really, really helpful to someone else out there if we did a giveaway where you could win your Christmas dinner. So where we would pay for your Christmas dinner shop, and then you could have turkey, chicken, and all the trimmings, or whichever ones you want. And it's also to celebrate the pre-orders of our brand new cookbook, the Multi-Cooker Cookbook, which is such a beautiful cookbook. I'm so proud of this, and it's got 125 deliciously easy recipes and essential techniques. But what's so amazing about this is it's brilliant for if you have different kitchen gadgets, because it covers air frying, pressure cooking, slow cooking, mixing up pressure cooking and air frying, steaming, and so many others. So it also includes the opportunity to get our turkey recipe, so you can actually get the turkey recipe that's featured in the cookbook before it's even out. All you have to do is pre-order yourself a copy of the Multi-Cooker Cookbook. Simply search Multi-Cooker Salmon Dom or go to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/books and you can pre-order yourself a copy there, and then you can be having this turkey recipe in your house this Christmas and also have the chance to win your Christmas dinner on us. So now pause the video and do that, and then let's get back to this recipe. And we've beeped, so shall we check to see how it's doing? So that's your cabbage. Oh, let me bring it closer in because you know it's like with how dark it is against the basket. Just check out that. Doesn't that look fabulous? That looked brilliant. So that's how easy it is to do the cabbage. So this cabbage is now done, so I'm going to leave it in there to stay warm whilst we finish off the parsnips and carrots. So pop it back in its drawer and then grab out the other one. And then this is where you can see your carrots and your parsnips, which have got the lovely honey glaze at the bottom. And as you can see, the parsnips are lovely and cooked. It's just they don't have the same level of crisp to them like you would if you were doing them in the oven. So take a closer look at those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these on for a bit longer. Yeah. And now let's just do zone 1 just to finish it off. And you're looking for air fry. And you're looking for 6 minutes. And you're looking for a cooking time of 200 Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit. And then press start. So, shall we see what the parsnips and carrots are like? Are you ready for this? Oh, wow, look at those. Now that is proper traditional parsnips and carrots. Oh, I just love that. And I cannot believe how easy it is to do all your favourite side dishes using a few frozen bags from Iceland. And like I said, most supermarkets do them. We're just big fans of Iceland for food that goes well in the air fryer. So that's your cabbage that we've already done. And then that, of course, is your parsnips and carrots. And they're just brilliant together. And then they're perfect for serving up for your Christmas lunch. So if you're looking for some lazy shortcuts this Christmas and you don't want to spend all of Christmas in the kitchen, then this is how it's done. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.